Today we're installing Windows NT 4 Service Pack 4. Service Pack 4 was released on the 25th of October 1998. Support ended on the 4th of August 1999. Service Pack 4 addressed 713 issues, the largest to date for NT 4. Service Pack 4 hit a number of delays during development. Service Pack 4 includes Service Pack 3 and all the post-Service Pack 3 hotfixes. Like previous Service Packs, Service Pack 4 contains several fixes for features such as point-to-point tunneling protocol and routing and remote access service. In addition to the remote fixes, Service Pack 4 has several fixes related to RRAS, Internet Explorer and the NT4 option pack. Service Pack 4 included the latest year 2000 updates, as well as support for the Euro currency. Security enhancements included in Service Pack 4 included the Security Configuration Manager and Remote WinSock. Improvements to distributed computing included Windows Management Instrumentation, DCOM and HTTP tunneling, and TAPI 2.1. Updates to the operating system also included Windows Media Technologies and the ability to install Internet Explorer 4.0 Service Pack 1. Service Pack 4 weighs in at 32 meg in size. Service Pack 4 brings Windows NT 4 up to a build number of 4.00.1381.133. Service Pack 4 has now been installed. Until next time, catch you in the next one.